everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are great today as always. But on this video I wanted to share with you guys how I get my son's hair curls defined for a while that could last up to a week. So I thought I'll share it with you guys because some people might want to know how to get about it. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all my posts. So as you can see, I'm just using a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner to detangle, condition, shampoo his hair at the same time, and then I'm gonna go ahead with a comb to detangle it. So I've pretty much detangled it with a detangling comb, obviously the big one, as you can see here. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting just little by little bit, and I'm going ahead and twisting it up to help the hair stay in place before by the time I'd get him out of the bath and dress him up, so it doesn't all go frizzy and crazy. So this is what I'm doing to stay, put the hair in place before I'm ready to style it. So I go ahead and I twist them all in small portions like so. So here I'm showing you how much portions of twist I did on the hair, and I'm gonna get him ready now, and then we're gonna proceed. He's a little bit tired as well. So I finally got him ready, and this is what I'm using. Cantu Cat for Kids curling cream, which defines and temp freezes and all that. It really is good. I've been using this for quite a while, and it has really lasted me. I don't know if I should say over 6 months, yes, since I got it. It is a really good product. It gets the curls really defined, and yes, I love it. I also use Cantu. It's like a conditioning cream for when you're washing the hair, but I've run out, so I just used the one I used before. So here I am applying the cream all over his hair, and I'm using my hand to, like, obviously saturate it to get it to penetrate into the hair before I go ahead and use a white tooth comb to get the curls out. As you can see, he's properly decked out. He was so tired while I was putting him in the bath, so he's tired now and already sleeping, so I have to be gentle and careful not to wake him up, because yeah, he will really kick off. But yes, as you can see, sorry I said white tooth comb before. This is like a diamond brush. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I've had this comb for years. It's like it gets the curl well defined. So that is like a detangling comb basically, or you can say diamond brush. I don't know, but either way, that is a really good comb. It does all the job for me. If I want to get my hair like properly detangled, that is what I use, and if I want to get the curls properly defined, that's what I use as well. So I'm going in with the Cantu cream and applying and detangling. Here I am going ahead with the comb and detangling as well as defining the curls. The comb is really good when it comes to defining the curls. It really helps it to pop basically. I've had that comb for quite a while. I don't even remember where I got it from or the brand of it, but yes, it really does help a lot. So after I'm done doing that, I went ahead to kind of massage his hair a bit, kind of like lift the curls up so that it can stay put. So here is my finished result after I've done all that. This is how much curls the hair is got, and this is how much it is defined. I have to say the result is amazing. The hair is still very wet, about 80%, so it's gonna dry, and I will show you the hair when it's completely dried. So this is the result when the hair has finally dried. It still looks really great, and the hair is definitely gonna stay like that for a good few days. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.